How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can convert friends to followers on Facebook. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So it is a very easy method if you want to convert your friends to followers. So when you head over to a profile, you should be finding your friend's number under your profile name. So if you want to change those friends into followers, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this three dot from your profile page and go ahead and turn on the professional mode. So you can just go ahead and turn this on. Just follow the on-screen prompts in order to turn it on. Next, and once you do it and refresh your page, you'll be finding your friends changed into followers. So you can see it was friends before, now it has turned into followers and following. So that is it. So that is how you convert your friends to followers on Facebook very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.